What's going on, guys? Fuller's in Florida getting the coronavirus, and Dustin's out with the coronavirus. So we got me here, Junior, with Corey from FI. We're gonna get into it with this or that. So you guys ask us questions in your comments and messages, basically everywhere. We've got Keaton behind the camera asking us these questions now, and we're gonna choose this or that.
Yeah, I like cars.
Cali lean or stretch tires?
Yes.
Cali lean, definitely. Stretch tires on a truck look bonk.
Yeah, but what if it's like lowered or like leveled?
Ooh.
Like,
What kind of stretch tires? Are they road tires or are they like some trail grapplers? Because that makes a difference. Because stretch tires, when you got some knobby, that looks cool. But like the smooth like Nitto 420, I hate that.
really? I thought you were
one.
gonna go the other way and say like the stretch
No, when
street
you got
tire.
knobby stretch tires, it's like, yo, that guy looks confused, but he also looks kind of cool. Whereas if you have the stretch tires, it's like, yo, bro, why didn't you just buy a Corvette?
Ask the next question.
Lifted dually or slam dually?
Slam dually, you gotta slam a dually.
I don't care, they're both sick. Either way, I'd be so happy.
Black wheels on a black truck or chrome wheels on a black truck?
Always chrome. Chrome gets you home.
Black.
Why? Are you just trying to fight with me?
No, it just looks cooler. Like, if you...
You lose the wheel though if it's all blacked out.
Yeah, but like, you lose the wheel either way if you go with the black wheel, but on a black truck, everything needs to be black, because then you just have that thuggish, ruggish, like, feel going down the road. You're just like, ooh, nobody could see me at night. Everybody could see me during the day. This is cool. I feel fly. I dig it.
I don't know. I feel like chrome
I would
wheels.
feel like I was constantly in the FBI if I just had an all-black massive truck.
Yeah, if that's what you want, I guess. I just prefer like completely painted to match everything and then giant chrome wheels. Like that's just the go-to for me. So it's.
See, I guess if I was building a truck, it would be like a zombie slayer truck.
Oh,
where
God.
like giant lift kit, big bull guard, brush tube thing. And I'd just be running people over in my all-black truck.
Rhino line.
Yes.
New Tacoma or new Tundra, and why?
New Tacoma, because it can dig itself out of the sand, and when you're in a zombie apocalypse, you need that.
Tacoma. I just like them more than Tundras. Sorry, Ron.
Sorry, Ron. Your truck's ugly.
Oh.
Not your truck specifically. I like your truck. I just don't like the Tundra.
OBS Ford or OBS Chevy?
OBS Ford. Bronco gang.
I don't even really know what that means.
Full body style.
Like how old? Kind of old? A little old?
Like
middle old, like-
90s. Yeah.
Oh, I have one of those. I'm gonna go with Chevy.
What year is yours?
95.
Oh, you have one?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, most people don't. It's red.
Oh, I do know that now. Yep.
Two-wheel drive, so it's not really a truck.
Keep it simple, gas or diesel?
Diesel, just 'cause I've never had one. I want
Yeah,
one.
same. But we also live in a cold spot, so like gas,
cold spot?
Yeah, gas might make more sense in the cold spots.
But you just drive it during the summer and go really fast.
Yeah, that's true. You could go so fast during the summer that you wouldn't even be in the winter. That'd be sick.
Red or white LED lights?
Where are they going? Like if they're brake lights, I'd
If
rather
they're
have
in
red.
front, I'd prefer white. If they're behind, I'd prefer red.
What about interior?
Blue. No, definitely white.
Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna use red for other than like
Oh, no,
taillights.
red. Because if I do have an all-black zombie apocalypse
Oh,
truck,
no, here we go.
then they say the red light is the lowest transmitting light frequency, so that's why cop cars all have red lights. So I'd be in my black truck that, A, you already wouldn't be able to see with my red light on, so then you wouldn't even be. That's why if you look at a cop car, they've all got red lights, red map lights.
Because they don't want you to see the red lights flashing on
Because
the
if
roof.
they're like scoping out your house, they don't want you to see the fact that they're in there actually playing Sudoku.
Oh.
Yep.
That makes sense now.
Yep.
Best Archon wheel and why?
Woo!
Caesar. That's the swoopy one, right? Like the.
They're all kind of.
Yeah, but like the Lincoln is like the cha-cha-cha. But the Caesar is like the.
Yeah, I got the Lincoln. He's got the Caesar.
Yeah.
Lincoln. And why though? Just because of the. That's why,
Because
huh?
it's like the Lincoln, which is the best seller, but it's more. And I like the. Because it's more aerodynamic when you're fighting zombies. You don't get any arms stuck in your.
The Lincoln, you
spokes.
can put it on anything and it looks good. That's all I got. I don't got any zombie references.
Bonus question. Be able to fly for 2 minutes every day or breathe underwater?
I've
Is
always
it breathe
wanted to-
underwater for 2 minutes a day? Or?
Indefinitely.
Yeah, breathe underwater, definitely.
I have like an indefinite fear that I'm gonna drown. Like that is my
Drown
biggest.
if you can breathe. Like this solves your fear.
Yeah, but
This
like
literally solves
the
your
depths
fear.
of the
All right,
ocean, like
what happens if you're 10,000 feet up in the air at a minute 59?
just send her down, bud.
You're done.
I've just always wanted to fly. Like, you're going to be swimming and be like, dude, this is awesome. I'm going to go to the bottom of the ocean. All of a sudden, the pressure's going to keep building and building and building. All of a sudden, your eyeballs are just...
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
And then you're like, dude, I didn't even think about this. I was just
breathe,
enjoying.
But my brain is squeezing out of my ear. But hey, I can breathe.
That's all I got for you guys. If you have more questions, make sure to comment them below, message us, whatever. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. Make sure to follow us, like, subscribe, youtube.com/CustomHouseTV. How'd Corey do? Comment below. Peace.